Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an easy and delicious dinner recipe. Today we're going to be making creamy beef and shells. Now this is all the ingredients you need for this recipe. You need some beef stock, some shell pasta, some chopped onion, heavy whipping cream, tomato sauce, some mild cheddar cheese, or if you wanted to, you could use sharp cheddar or a mix of both, some flour, Italian seasoning, garlic, paprika, and then either ground beef, ground turkey, or Italian sausage. Today I'm using ground beef, but I do like to mix up the two. Sometimes I use ground beef, other times I go with ground turkey. It's just whatever you prefer. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to our stove and we're going to start boiling some water to cook our pasta, and we're going to start cooking our ground beef. Alright, so I have our large pot here, and I'm going to bring it to a boil to cook our pasta. And then I have a skillet here. I went ahead and put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and brown up our ground beef. So once our shell pasta is fully cooked, and I drain it, and I fully cook our ground beef and drain the ground beef, I will be back with the next step. Alright, once you have browned and drained your grease out of your ground beef, you're going to go ahead and add in the onion. And you're just going to go ahead and cook this until the onion starts to become translucent. You want to make sure to soften up the onion a little bit. So we're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to keep stirring it often so the meat doesn't burn. Alright, now we're going to stir in the garlic, Italian seasoning, and paprika. Let's go ahead and mix it all up. Next, we're going to add in the flour. Alright, now we're going to gradually whisk in the beef stock. And we're going to add the tomato sauce next. And we're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil and reduce the heat and let it simmer. We'll cook it or let it simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes, and it will slightly thicken some. Alright, once your ground beef mixture has simmered for a little bit, you're going to go ahead and add in the heavy whipping cream. And you're going to add in your cooked shells. And we're just going to mix this up. Trying to be careful, my pan is a little bit too small. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add our mild cheddar cheese. You're going to use about 1.5 cups. 1.5 to 2 cups is good. And you're just going to go ahead and stir this until the cheese is fully melted, and then it will be ready to serve. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're new watching for the first time, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to click on that bell for notifications so you know exactly when a new video is posted. And this recipe will be posted down in the description below if you're interested in giving this creamy beef and shells pasta recipe a try. And also there will be a link down below that has the recipes that I have posted so far, and I am always adding new recipes, so be sure to check out that link in the description after you're done watching this video. I want to thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.